Chapter number 6. Today we are going to start one new topic, that is variable and invariable professions. Basically, the topic is professions and les métiers. Métier is also called as professions. So there are two types of professions. One is variable and one is invariable. What are variable professions? That change according to the gender. Okay. And few are invariable, that remain same, either they are feminine or masculine. Let us see. In the first given picture, it is boulanger. What it is given? Boulanger. That means baker. First of all, write the meaning for all the professions. First one is boulanger, and here this is masculine. Now, the professions which are variable, they have gender and they change in the feminine form also. Boulanger, boulanger. You are going to place accent above this E, and this means baker. To make it feminine, we will add E to boulanger. Next is cuisinier. And to make it feminine, I'll change it, I'll add E to it. Again, I will put accent here. Cuisinier, that means cook. Third one is infirmier. Infirmière. This means nurse. So a nurse can be masculine also and feminine also. Okay. Infirmier, infirmière. Next is fourth one, couturier, couturière. That means fashion designer. So here, these are few professions only which I have added E to make them feminine. These four professions, we have only added E to make it feminine. Now comes, this was the first part of the variable profession. Now see to the second part, the professions which are going to end. Here you can write the professions which are ending with ER changes to ERE. Now, professions which are ending with IEN, they will change to IENNE. Okay. First one is mécanicien. First one is mécanicien. Ending with IEN, we are going to change it to IENNE. Mécanicien. This means mechanic. Second is musicien. Again ending with IEN, we are going to change it to IENNE. Okay, this means musician. You have to write this in your notebook, everyone. Please start writing it. Next is, only these two are ending with IEN and change to IENNE. Clear, everyone? Third one is ending with EUR. It will change to RICE. So the first is facture, and it will be changed to factrice. Second is instituteur, and it will change to institutrice. This is postman. And institutor and institutrice means school teacher. Now few more professions are there which are ending with EUR, but they will not end with RICE. They will end with EUSE. That we will do after this. Okay. So you just complete up till this. These are few more which are ending with EUR and it will change to EUSE. First one is server. It will change to servers. That means servant. Coiffeur to coiffeurs. That means barber. Dancer to dancers. That means dancer. Chanter to chanters. That means singer. So there are only two which change to EUR, which change from EUR to RICE, and there are four professions which are ending with EUR and it will change to EUSE. Only these are variable professions. After this, we are going to do invariable professions, which remain same in both the cases. We don't need to add any of the thing. Now we are going to start up with invariable professions. So first one is journalist. That means journalist. Second is professor. Now we have studied about institutor and institutrice. What is the difference? Institutor and institutrice are school teacher and professor is a teacher who teaches in college. Okay? Professor is also a teacher. Third one is secretary. That means secretary. Fourth is architect. That means architect. Then is photography. It's photographer. Next is pilot. Pilot. Next is dentist. It's dentist. You can see that these all professions are already ending with E. That's why we are not going to add anything in this. Juge is a judge. Next is pianist. It's pianist, one who plays piano. Next is engineer. That is engineer. Next is pianist. Painter. Artist. Artist. Two more are left. I'm writing here. Medicine is a doctor and infirmière is a nurse that we have already studied. And last one is écrivain. These two professions are not ending with E, but they will remain same in both the cases. We are not going to add any of the E with them. Écrivain is writer. So these all are invariable professions, which are not going to change. Lore means so. The vocabulary part. First, I'll be speaking French words and then the English one. Alors, so, artist, artist, architect, architect, boulanger, boulanger, baker, chez, at one's place, cuisinier, cuisinière, cook, couturier, couturière, designer, chanter, chanters, singer, coiffeur, coiffeurs, hairdresser, dentist, dentist, dancer, dancers, dancer, diriger, to manage, this is a verb, distribuer, to distribute, again this is a verb, enseigner, to teach, verb, écrivain, writer, facture, factrice, postman, grave, serious. Il faut, it is necessary. Infirmier, infirmière, nurse. Instituteur, institutrice. School teacher, engineer, engineer. Ici, here. Journalist, journalist. Juge, judge. Les métiers, professions. Malade, ill. Mécanicien, mécanicienne. Mechanic, musicien, musicienne, musician, médecin, doctor, server, servers, servant. Or you can say waiter also. Professor, teacher or professor. I've already told that institutor and institutrice is a school teacher. Professor is the teacher who teaches for the higher school and colleges. Photography, photography is photographer. Pilot, pilot. Peintre, painter. Secrétaire, secretary. Travailler, work. This is all about the vocabulary part.